In this video, I will show you how to fix in case your Nintendo Switch 2 is not able to output any image on your TV. Even though you have docked the console properly, everything is done, you're probably wondering why it's not working. Well, let me show you how to fix it. So the first thing you're going to do is to remove it from the dock. Next, we will do a force restart on the console itself. So make sure the screen is turned on the way you see over here, and you're going to press the power button right over here. Okay, let me just power it on again. You're going to press the power button located on the top left corner over here during 8 seconds. So I'm keeping it pressed right now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then release the button. The screen will be black. And now press the same power button until you see the Nintendo logo appearing on the display. Then you can lift your finger. All right. Set the console aside. Now it has boot up, and what I suggest is that you try again. Try putting your Switch 2 in the dock that is connected to your TV, and fortunately after doing this very simple trick, it will work. Now if you're still having issues and it didn't manage to output any image on your TV, let's go to trick number 2. So you're going to take your dock and you're going to disconnect everything from it. Okay, you're going to remove all the cable connections. You're going to also disconnect the dock from the wall outlet. And now we need to reconnect everything in a certain order. So the first thing to do is to plug the power adapter. Okay, this is the USB Type-C cable in the dock. It's still unplugged over here. So I will simply connect it there. This is 1. 2, you're going to put the HDMI cable in the dock. Then you're going to connect the power adapter in your power outlet. And finally, you're going to connect the HDMI cable in the back of your TV. Okay. Now, once everything is secured, you don't even have to put back this cap. You're going to insert the switch in the dock with the TV turned off. Make sure you insert it properly. So over here you see it's the Switch 2 logo, and the screen of the Switch should be pointing yourself. So once you've done everything, now you can turn on your TV and select the input, the HDMI input, where you have connected the switch on the back. I have already did it. It was in HDMI 1. Press the power button on the switch, and fortunately it will start working the way it's supposed to. If nothing is functioning, even after trying this, there is a chance that the problem is the dock itself. So fortunately you still have a bit of warranty left, so contact Nintendo and there's a good chance they will replace it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.